While estimating income earned within the domestic territory, one needs to take into account income earned by people through their wages and salaries. Then there is another section of the society involved in processing or manufacturing. For those people, one needs to find out the operating surplus. That is, how much surplus is left after deducting the operating costs, like payment of wages, like payment of rent, and so on. This is relevant because it helps you to analyze the efficiency and the performance of business. Also, it provides insights for income distribution. So let us understand more about operating surplus. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from CUET Economics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing our series for all the 4 subjects to give you an insight about the courses offered at our website that will enable you to prepare well for your CBSE and CUET examinations. Before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our valuable free videos. If you like the content, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page. Now let's begin. Operating surplus is related to land, capital and enterprise as the factors of production. So it is the income earned from property comprising of rent, royalties and interest, and from entrepreneurship comprising of profit. So far as rent is concerned, it includes actual rent and imputed rent. And royalties comprise of the income received from granting leasing rights of subsoil assets. For example, owners of mineral deposits like coal, gas, etc. earn income by giving rights of mining to the contractors. So far as interest is concerned, interest income is earned from capital, but it does not include interest paid by government on public debt, interest paid by the consumers as such loans are meant for consumption purposes, interest paid by one firm to another as it is included in the profits of the firm which pays it. So far as income from entrepreneurship is concerned, it comprises of profit which has 3 components. 1. Corporate tax, that is tax paid by the companies on the profits earned. Then is dividends to be given to the shareholders. But one needs to take note of the fact that dividends paid by one firm to another is not included, as these gets included in the profits of the firm that pays. And third component is retained earnings. That is a part of the earnings which is retained by the companies. So for operating surplus, one needs to include rent, royalties, interest. Under profit, it is corporate tax, dividends and retained earnings. All these components need to be included to calculate operating surplus. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum and with our current introductory offer. You can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.